Hey friends, how are you today? Now Daniela's already fed the little baby birds. Thank you, sweetie, for helping with that. I do appreciate you. So I'm not going to be able to film feeding them on camera right this moment. Here, put your little legs back together. Well, this is the baby Indian ringneck. Now he is not spraddle-legged as he looks like. His legs are okay, I promise. Now, he looks real bug-eyed right now, and that's normal for a baby this age. Get a good profile view. Looks like a little vulture. Isn't he adorable? Actually, this is a she. I explained that in the video last week. But because this is a Lutino with red eyes, and I know the color of the parents, it's a green male and a gray female. So I know that this is a girl because she's Lutino, because of the way the genes work. We have about a dozen more Indian ringneck eggs out in the aviary, and we've been checking the nest every day and checking for babies. And what happens is they will lay 2 or 3 clutches of eggs every year, but just as soon as the weather gets warm in June or July, they're done for the year, and they won't breed again until February of the next year. So this is our little baby ringneck we have. Hopefully we're going to have a bunch more really soon. Look at that sweet baby. Let's get the cockatiel out, the little crybaby. Here's this crybaby. She is a lot bigger than the Indian ringneck because she's older. The ringneck will grow to be larger than a cockatiel. They're not by very much. They're mostly tail, which is fine. I like big tails. You've already been fed, sweet baby. She wants to be fed some more, always. But she's got some little crusties on her face. Catherine is learning how to hand feed baby birds, and she's doing an excellent job. But sometimes we get some little food left on her face, and that'll go away soon. That's not going to be an issue. Come on. If anyone ever doubts that a cockatiel is just a small cockatoo, all you have to do is compare the babies. They act identical. No. The door's not open. Yeah, as a matter of fact, the big door's open. Well, because. Okay, cat crisis averted. I left the door open, and the cat knows how to open the screen from the outside. We gotta put a little latch on it. Well, we have a little latch, I just didn't latch it. Here, where you going, baby? Where you going? She is a cinnamon, which is the brownish color instead of darker gray. And she is pearl, meaning she has polka dots all over her. And she is a whiteface, meaning that she doesn't have the yellow and orange cheek patches. But like I was saying, a baby cockatiel acts just like a baby cockatoo. Noisy, obnoxiously so, always wanting to be fed, begging for attention. And thankfully, once a cockatiel grows up out of this crybaby stage, they are the best of pets. I think they're some of the best birds. Cockatiels and ringnecks are some of my very favorites. Probably because they both have really long tails. That's why I like the big macaws. Come on, you want to step up? Jeremiah, he's our step up king. He tries to get them all to step up. Come on, if you want to get close to me, you got to step up. There you go.
So I was just in the middle of feeding my birds, and I hear something in the nest box, and all the paint on my hand. I was painting a minute ago before. Oh, there's the mom. Oh, look, guys! Oh my god! Oh my god, look at it! It's a tiny baby parakeet. I didn't think any of the eggs would hatch, but they did. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Now, if you know how big parakeet eggs are, I would say they're smaller than a penny. Yeah, the parakeet eggs are smaller than a penny. And imagine how small that baby. Imagine how small the baby is. Imagine how small the baby is. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, I hope that all of them hatch. And if y'all remember from last year, the eggs to hatch, we still haven't got the babies out, and they've grown into full birds. And we've just been waiting for an empty cage to put them in. Okay, what's in here? Oh, nothing. There's nothing in there, sadly. I'm gonna check all the cocktail eggs right now. I heard something in the nest box, and I was like, what is that? It might just be the parent, the mom or the dad. But no, it was a tiny baby. I'm gonna look in the cocktail nest boxes. They just have eggs, okay. I really hope that there's some cockatiel babies. Oh. Oh. There's actually some eggs. That's surprising. There was the mom and the dad in there. Actually, the dad, he was in there. What's wrong? Do you not like me looking at the eggs? Since my dad put these at where he could see into them, I'm shorter than him. So I literally have to stand on a milk crate to look into them. Oh. Oh my gosh! They didn't have any eggs yesterday! They laid 2 eggs! Ooh. Nothing. Oh wait. What? Him up there, I call him Mr. Peck. I call him Mr. Peckles or something. I forgot what I called him. But every time I open this, he's always in there, refuses to let me look in there. Wait, no, I got it wrong. He is the one who's always in there. Won't let me look in the nest box. So I'm surprised that he was in there. I got confused. You just want all the camera attention that you can get, don't you? And I know these two. Well, that one for a fact does not have any eggs. And neither does this one. I put the thing on like that, thought being very close, and it didn't. I'm crazy. But at least we have a parakeet egg. That's good. And Forrest. Forrest, do you want to say hi? Forrest, I know that you can say hello. 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 Oh, you did. I feel like he's gonna bite me. Oh, yeah, he tried to bite me. I put my finger here and he tried to bite me. Please don't bite me. I would not like that. I've already got bit by a bird once today. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the next day for me recording when there's just one baby pokey and now there's two. Oh my gosh! Look at how small they are! Oh, you can't really see it. I was going to put my finger in there that way you could see the comparison, so my finger to him. Here, look! And I have small fingers. Oh my gosh, he's so tiny. I love them so much. They're so pretty.